What's up, everybody? Today we are in Lehi, Utah, and we're going to show you how to turn off your stop and waste. So what you're going to be looking for is these irrigation boxes. So you have a box here, and then your house water meter. Most of the time where you're going to find your secondary water shut off and to turn it on is going to be right next to the water meter for the house. So Dylan is going to show you how to do it. So you take that yellow cap off, take this curb key, which some people call it a stop and waste key. You can hear it hit on the actual stop and waste. There's a hook at the bottom that it connects into. And turn it to the right until it stops and you feel a full 100% stop, and that's it. Pull the key out, pop that lid back on so you don't get anything down in that pipe, because that thing is like 5 feet in the ground. And that is how you shut off your stop and waste for the winter. Thanks for watching.